Hello you guys, it's me Lisa. In today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to log into your Temu account or how to install a Temu account. So let's get started. For first thing you want to do is go to your app store and search for Temu. I've already done this here. So after you see Temu, I want you to click on get and install it. You want to make sure that you double click it to install, that your Face ID is enabled or some of your email or some sort of verification is available, and that your phone or laptop is connected to a proper and secure Wi-Fi. What Temu is it is a swapping software, so if you already have an account in Temu, then it will probably be helpful for you. But even if you do not have an account, then you can surely create one account. So we'll be waiting for it to install like this. After it is installed, what you want to do is click on open, and it's gonna load up like this. So as you can see that you want to get destination, you want to allow send notification, you can also send security verification, and you can also receive marketing SMS from Temu. But as you can see, I can already see the products here. So I want these shoes. I click on it. I have to do this. Please click all smaller yellow polyhedron here, and the validation is successful. And as you can see, I can click on add to cart and to select a size as well. And then when it is in my cart, when I need to check out, then it'll ask me to sign in. So I just type in my email and password, and it signs me in. So this is a quick and easy method on how you can sign in to Temu, or you can also create a new account on Temu. If this video was helpful, then please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, then please be sure to leave it on the comment box below. It's me, Elise, signing off. I'll see you in the next one.